What's up, everyone? I hope you're doing well. And today we are back with some more hockey. And this time I have 2020-21 Upper Deck Series 1 Hockey 24-pack box. It's a big chunky box right here. And the other one, some bonus packs, 4 of them, of 2019-20 Upper Deck Series 1. And that's from Hobby Box. So we're gonna start with this, I think, since it's older year. 4 packs right there. Let's get it. Let's look for that Jack Hughes or Quinn Hughes or some other cool young guns. All right, so first pack is right here. First one we have Ryan Nugent Hopkins, Tyler Johnson, Ilya Kovalchuk, Nick Leddy, and there it is, Energy, Mika Zibanayad. Cool looking card. It's not numbered. Gotta put him here. And then we have Braden Haldby, Radek Faksa, and Brand Seabrook. There's the first pack. No big hits. Let's go next one. Actually, not a single young gun. That's a bit sad. All right, I'm gonna see if we can find it here. Elias Peterson, Jesper Bratt, Josh Bailey. Oh, and we have here next generation Miro Heiskanen. Cool card, right? Also, nothing special. All right, Tyler Bozak is next. Leo Komarov, Nolan Patrick, and Philip Gruber. All right. 2 more packs of bonus. Let's see if we can pull anything from this. Zach Hyman. Brandon Sad. Nino Niederreiter. All right. There you go. The first young gun. Hale Flurry. Not the best. We gotta sleeve him since he is young gun. There it is. Next one is Mike Hoffman, Brian Rust, Connor Shiri, and Casey Zizikas. All right. And the last one. So we got one young gun. That's all right. Let's see if we can get another one. Mark Sheffley, Victor Hedman, Jonathan Quick, TJ Comher, and UD Portraits, Philip Zadina. All right. Carter Hart, Yanni Gordy, and Mikael Granlund. All right, so nothing crazy at all from bonus packs. Now we're gonna go with the big box. We're gonna do like this, put this here. This is our young gun. All right, so there it is, the big box right here, right now. Let's go. Let's open this right now. Because in this one, we're gonna be looking for more key rookies. So let's see if we gotta get lucky in there, in here. And in here, we have 24 packs and 8 cards per pack. So we have to be quick with this one. There it is. Oh, that's a lot of packs, guys. Look at that. How we gonna do this? Gotta shuffle a bit. Look for those young guns. Okay, let's start with this deck. Collect young guns rookie cards. Yes, that's what we are doing here. Let's see, hopefully we can hit the good ones. Oh man. The new rookies. Here we go. Alright. Darnell, Nurse, Alex, Carefoot, Country. Alright, Jersey. There it is. Carton Hutton. This is a Jersey card. Eh, pretty cool, pretty cool. We got a Jersey card of the goalie. We have to sleeve him up. There it is. Or something. Our interesting pull. Alright, let's go next. Brandon Tanev and Mark Stone. I like the design. Pretty cool. The name on the side, pretty nice. And the back is cool with all the statistics of all the career. It's actually awesome. Alright, so let's keep going. It's just only first pack. We definitely gotta hit some young guns in here. Those packs doesn't rip that well, though. Alright, let's see. Hellers, Anisimov, Coleman, Marcus Johnson, Alex Stallock, and Yamamoto Marner. That's got nothing in this one. Alright, let's keep going. Yeah, these packs are glued very well. Let's see, Strom, Fox, Seguin, Pont. Alright, there you go. The first young gun card, Gabe Villardi. And that's a good one to have. Gabe Villardi young gun card. Nice. Alright, let's look at it. It looks cool. It's not numbered or nothing. Probably in this product there's no numbered cards. Let's see how many young guns we can pull out of this product. Alright, let's see. Next, Brown, and okay. We gotta look faster through these. Okay. Man. The packs doesn't rip that well. Alright, let's see what we have here. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. The checklist card. You know, those. Alright, so let's see what we got here. The UD Portraits Rookies. Liam Fody. Alright. Okay, that's a rookie card, so get in here. We want more young guns. All right, let's go through these. There's nothing. Okay, let's go with this one now. Ugh. Dang it. All right. See what we have in this one. Larkin. All right, and then this one, another UD portrait. But this time is a player. Where we got put him right here. I mean, this time is a regular player, not a rookie. Of Alex Ovechkin, actually. That's nice. All right, let's see. Let's see. Keep going. We have a lot of backs of this product. And there you go. Another young gun. Peyton Rebs is not on the list. All right. All right. All right. He's not on the list. But he is a young gunner. There you go. Gabriel is better. Well, I'm gonna put him here. All right, and see what's left in here. So there's only one good card in those packs. All right, let's see if we can get more young guns. I'm sure we can. There it is. Kempy. And that's a nice picture, isn't it? All right. Let's see. This time we got UD canvas of Jean-Gabriel Baguette. Something like that. All right. So he goes to Ovechkin. There's nothing more in here. All right, let's go with the next deck. So in here, it's not gonna be any probably numbered cards or anything like that. Well, in this big box, at least they can put like one. Well, hopefully there is one numbered card. Or a cheeky auto. Well, okay, let's see. What is this? Young gun, Nick Robertson. And he's not on the list as well. All right. It's fine. We're still taking. That's a third young gun. Let's see what's left. Make sure we don't miss anything. All right, let's go. See, like, look how these packs are ripping. They're glued so well in there. Crazy. Okay. Let's go. All right, do we get young gun? No, we get canvas. Oliver Ekman Larson. All right. And this is what's left. Very nice. Let's keep going. Oh man, we still have a lot of packs. All right, let's see. Gusev. That's a cool looking card. Look at that. All right, let's see. Let's see. Jersey of Shea Weber. Okay. All right. We're looking for more young guns. So we got so far only one good one from the list. Unless other ones is gonna do good. Well, they actually play. All right, let's keep going. Oh, another jersey of Gabriel Landeskog. I wonder if you can get a rookie jersey. Yeah, but this jersey is like just one color. You're not gonna get anything crazy in here. All right. There you go. Okay, let's see if this is gonna be jersey, portrait, or young gun, or canvas. One of those, for sure. All right, so boom, boom, Letty, and this time nothing. Just an empty pack, basically. No special cards. Great. Maybe this one's gonna have something. Oh, it's gonna have the portrait. I already saw that. Portrait of Connor Hellebuck. Okay. Not a rookie. Alright, this is what left. Okay. Another stack. Wow, they ripping not that nice. Alright, let's see. The young gun, Vitek Vanecek. And he is not on the list. Vitek Vanecek. Oh no. He's probably a Czech, right? Vitek Vanecek by the name. Yep, he is Czech. Alright, so that's another young gun. Oh my gosh, look at the next picture. Look how cool that is. Radulov. This is awesome. Alright. Okay. Let's go. How many young guns we have left, I wonder. Alright, let's see what we gotta have here. Oh, there's something. Probably UD. It's gonna be UD canvas. No! There's a Dazzler's card. Evgeny Malkin. That's something new. This is pretty cool. It's pretty unique. So I'm gonna leave this card. There it is. And this is what's left in this pack. Alright, so now let's go with another one. Come on. Jeez. And in this one's probably gonna be canvas, guys. I already saw, yep. Of Andrei Svechnikov. Yep. Alright. And that's it. Next one. And what do we have here? Young gun. Michael Di Pietro. That's another goalie. Young gun. Alright, let's go with another one. Okay, maybe it's another young gun. Let's see. Or it's absolutely nothing in this one. Yep. This one's absolutely empty. Let's keep going. Smith is the next one. And come on, give us something. Nothing in this one as well. Nothing. All right. The last tag, guys. So we have 5 more packs left. Can we pull another young gun? Let's see. Yes, we can. Jason Robertson. All right. There it is. Jason Robertson. Hello. Focus. There it is. And that's what left. All right, let's see what we're gonna have here. Kevin Hayes. Yep, this one doesn't have anything as well. All right. So there's lots of packs where there's absolutely nothing. Just base cards. Let's see what we're gonna have here. Again, nothing. Look at that. Wow. 2 more packs left. Can we still hit something? I want one more gun, please. One more young gun, please. Just one more. Where I got... that's a checklist again. Yeah, so this one doesn't have anything. And the last pack. Well, let's see if this thing can pull it off. I don't know. I don't know. All right, there it goes. Last pack. And it is Canvas. Miro Heiskanen. So I think it's like 6 young guns in the box, right? We gotta count through it. There you go. This is our young guns from this box, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 6. You get 6 in the box, young guns. So we got Jason Robertson, Michael DiPietro, Vitek Vanecek, Nick Robertson, Peyton Krebs, and Gabe Villardi. So this is the best one we pulled. And we also got free jersey cards of Gabriel Landeskog, Shea Weber, and Carter Hutton. And I don't know if this is worth something, but is this super rare or not? I don't know. It was only one in the box. So we'll see though. So this is it. This is what we got today. Pretty solid rip. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash a like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll see you in the next one soon. Peace.